Can I get Amazon Prime Video on Roku? Amazon Prime Video is available on Roku devices, allowing users to stream movies, TV shows, and original content. Installing and accessing the app is simple, but device compatibility and account login are required. 1. Compatibility with Roku devices. Amazon Prime Video is supported on most Roku streaming devices and Roku-enabled smart TVs. However, older Roku models may not support the latest version of the app. 2. Installing Amazon Prime Video on Roku. Users can download and install the Amazon Prime Video app directly from the Roku channel store. If the app is not pre-installed, it must be manually added to the device. 3. Logging into an Amazon account. To access content, users must sign in with an active Amazon Prime or Prime Video subscription. Without a subscription, users can still rent or purchase individual movies and TV shows. 4. How to install Amazon Prime Video on Roku. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Navigate to the Roku channel store and select streaming channels. Step 3. Search for Amazon Prime Video in the search bar. Step 4. Select the Add Channel button to install the app. Step 5. Open the app and log in with your Amazon Prime account. 5. Watching Amazon Prime Video on Roku. Once logged in, users can browse Prime Video's catalog, including free content for Prime members and rental/purchase options for non-subscribers. 6. Troubleshooting common issues. If Amazon Prime Video does not work properly on Roku, try these steps. Ensure both Roku and the Prime Video app are updated. Restart the Roku device and internet router. Sign out and log back into the Prime Video app. If the app crashes, remove and reinstall it from the Roku channel store. 7. Alternative streaming methods. If a Roku device does not support the Prime Video app, users can still stream content using screen mirroring from a smartphone or tablet with AirPlay or Chromecast. Amazon Prime Video is fully supported on Roku, making it easy to access content with a Prime subscription. By following simple installation steps, users can enjoy seamless streaming on their Roku devices.